Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between this Crescent 3-tier folding cart and this Elevon 4-tier folding cart. Now the Elevon will hold 400 pounds, but not 400 on each shelf. It's 100 on each shelf. The Crescent will hold 300 pounds, 100 on each shelf. Now I absolutely love both of these carts there's no assembly required. To fold this cart up on the Crescent, grab these nice large handles, and then you simply, to lock it into place, you've got this handle here. Now I've got it folded up, stored. This one is a little bit different, but the same philosophy. It's got a handle on top. Grab the handle, lift up. There's a piece of Velcro. Now it's all nice and stored, okay? I got locking wheels on both of them. Now when I wanna undo them, let's push down. Locks into place. Over here on the Crescent, do this handle here, take the D-rings, push down, locks into place. On the Crescent, I like these little handles like this. I've got some tool storage here. The shelves are bigger, but I only have 3 of them. Over here, at least if you need 4-tier, let's go over some measurements. So each shelf on this one can hold about 10.5. The Crescent is 13, almost 14 inches. Now, overall size, you can see they're really close. As far as height, Crescent, 42.5. The 4-tier, about 45.5. Where you're gonna get into difference is the size of the actual shelf itself. Crescent, 17.5 by 27. And this one, the 4-tier over here is 14.5 by about 21. So quite a bit difference there. But I love both of these. Now on the back side of both of them, there is a mechanism. You really can't put stuff in on the back. The Crescent does have bigger wheels and it has a really nice carrying handle. So let's show you that on the Crescent. Turn it around. The Crescent is heavier too. It's just built a little bit bigger. Now on this side here, we got a nice handle. So if I need to carry this, it's kind of heavy, but I do have a nice handle for carrying it. Nice big wheels. So I like both of these. They both serve a little bit different purpose. The Crescent might be a little bit more industrial, heavier duty. Over here, this one's a little bit, you can tell, a little bit lighter duty. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.